after you basically get the car dirty, rain comes on, this is how it's going to look, right? So here we have the Cybertruck in the normal silver color. As you can see here, it's kind of like that stainless steel per se. It is very, very interesting. So this is how it looks when it's dirty. As you can see, kind of like rain marks here. It's similar to like how a refrigerator looks, right? After you basically get the car dirty, rain comes on, this is how it's going to look, right? You're gonna have watermarks everywhere, dirt, debris, grime, and this is how it looks like, kind of like in this like normal type of weather. So whenever you leave your car outside. Here is like kind of what it looks like with leaves, dirt, grime everywhere. Oh. And then as you can see here, it is really like a fridge. So if you have like a refrigerator, it's kind of like, yeah, food everywhere, the hands, fingerprints, everything. This is how it looks. Just walk you around. And as you can see, you do get oxidation here on the rims itself. And then all around the car, you also have just dirt everywhere. But you can still see the Foundation Series badge on the side. And then your giant windshield over here. This is how it looks like when it's dirty. Just like this whole thing is glass. So it is kind of interesting to see that this whole thing is actually very, very dirty. But this is how a Cybertruck looks like kind of when it's dirty. Now we're going to show you guys how a Cybertruck looks like in the front, where you see, similar to all the Teslas, this gets a lot of bugs, but it is interesting because it's stainless steel. There's not as much rock chips because there's no paint, right, on the car itself. Even here on the plastic, no rock chips really, just dirt, debris, grime, everything of that nature.